from idea to step-by-step. Meet the Grafux Procedure Block. It turns a goal into a clear, step-by-step procedure, synthesized by AI from your description and any video or article you pointed at, visually, with no code at all. Whatever you're building, this is where it gets easier. So let me show you exactly how it works. So what is it? Put simply, the procedure block turns a goal into a clear, step-by-step procedure, synthesized by AI from your description and any video or article you pointed at. You give it what it needs, it does the work, and it hands you back steps and status as live data you can wire into anything else on your canvas. There's no setup and no boilerplate. You describe the outcome you want, and the block quietly takes care of the how. But first, why does this even matter? Normally, turning scattered videos and docs into a clean how-to takes hours of watching, pausing, and rewriting. It's slow, it's fiddly, and it pulls you right out of your flow. The procedure block makes all of that disappear, turning a whole chore into a single, simple node. What used to take a stack of tools and a pile of patience now takes one block and one click. And getting started could not be easier. Just open the block dialog and choose procedure. Describe the goal, plus a video or article. Then press run. That's the whole thing, 3 steps, from a blank canvas to a working procedure block in seconds rather than hours. And honestly, there's nothing else to learn. If you can describe what you want, you already know how to use it. Now, every block in Grafux speaks in ports. The procedure block takes in block description and source, and gives you back steps and status. And here's the magic. Every one of those is live data. Connect an output to another block, and it simply flows, updating the moment anything changes. That's the whole idea behind Grafux. Small, sharp blocks that snap together into something genuinely powerful. So how does it actually work? Here's the clever part. Under the hood, it just works. A messy source in, a clean procedure out. From the second you press run, the procedure block handles every step for you. No servers to set up, no plumbing, no configuration. All the heavy lifting happens quietly in the background, so your canvas stays clean and the complexity stays completely out of your way. Alright, let's make this real. Drop in a 20-minute build video, describe what you want to make, and the procedure block hands you back a crisp, numbered guide. No scrubbing the timeline. That right there is the procedure block, one single node doing the work of an entire workflow. And you built it just by describing what you wanted. And because those outputs are just data, the real power shows up when you compose. Feed the procedure block into a component block, a device block, and a memory block, and watch the whole thing come alive. In minutes, you have built a living, breathing pipeline visually with zero code. Change one block, and everything downstream updates automatically, always in sync. Best of all, none of this is a solo effort. Grafux is real-time and collaborative. The moment your procedure block runs, everyone in the shared diagram sees it update live. You design together on the very same canvas, whether your teammates are in the next room or on the other side of the world. Cursors, comments, changes. Everyone shares one live canvas, so nothing ever gets lost in a handoff. And that's the real idea behind Grafux. Every capability you can imagine, research, code, hardware, media, memory, becomes a block you can see, connect, and run. The procedure block is just one piece of a canvas where anything can talk to anything. No glue code, no context switching. Just build. Start with a single block today and grow it into whatever you can dream up tomorrow. So, why do people reach for the procedure block? From any source, video, article, or idea. Always ordered, clear numbered steps. It's visual, so there's no code to wire it together. And it's collaborative, so your whole team is right there with you. It is powerful where it counts and beautifully simple everywhere else. It's the kind of tool that just gets out of your way and lets you focus on the work that actually matters. And think of everywhere it fits. How-to guides, onboarding, assembly steps, recipes, SOPs, or lesson plans. And honestly, the list just keeps going. If you can describe it, the procedure block can help you build it, and the moment you need something new, another block is only a click away. So go ahead, drop a procedure block onto your canvas, and see what you can create. From idea to step-by-step. Start building on graphics today, and build anything together.